Ooh, look at that highlight. I just love me a good highlight situation. My highlight be popping. My highlight be popping. Ooh, look at that highlight. Ooh. Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all how to get a good poppin' blinding highlight. Now, there is a trick that I have learned that I absolutely love to use, using a cream highlighter and then layering on a powder highlight over the top of it. I'm sure I'm probably not the first genius to come up with this, but I just thought that I would show y'all my trick on how I like to make my highlight pop. So if you would like to learn how to make your highlight pop at home, then just keep on watching. So before I show y'all my highlighting trick, I do want to quickly mention that you should never ever layer cream products over powder products, because that will cause the products to break up on the face. You should always layer a cream and then a powder. So you should layer a powder over a cream, but never a cream over a powder. So I'm going to be using something today that is unfortunately no longer available. This was limited edition. This is the Avon, the Illuminate the Holidays highlighter palette, and this is a cream highlighter palette. Since cream products are all of the rage right now, I really thought that this would be fitting to use this one in this tutorial, because this is absolutely one of my favorite cream highlight products. It is so beautiful. I know the colors look really dark in the pan, and when I first looked at these, I was like, oh, these might be a little too dark on me, but actually I can pull off all three of these shades in this palette because it is a cream, so it's a little bit more easier to blend out. And the reason why I like these is because these give you like a very nice pseudo natural glow. They're not super intense like some powder highlights can be. So if you really don't like a blinding highlight and you just want something really subtle, I recommend going up for a cream option. The Maybelline, oh gosh, what are those called? They're like a little stick, and I think they're called the Master Illuminate Sticks or something like that. You can get them at Walmart. They're very inexpensive. I think they're like $7, maybe $6. Those are incredible. I absolutely love those. However, I unfortunately no longer have mine because mine got kind of old, so I threw it away. But anyway, I'm just going to be using this today. So we're going to use the pink highlighter in here because I think the highlight that I want to use over the top of it is going to be pink as well. So I like to just use my middle finger. You can use whatever finger you see fit to do so. Now, I do have on a blush and a bronzer already. However, I don't really powder my entire face on days that I'm going to do this trick, just because of like I mentioned earlier. So I'm just going to kind of start dabbing this onto the high points of my cheekbones and blending it out. The reason I like to use my fingers when applying these cream products is because I feel like the natural heat from your hands and from your fingers really helps to kind of melt that cream a little bit more into the skin and make it look a little bit more natural. I always feel like your fingertips are your best tools. So if you are someone that doesn't have a lot of brushes, or you really just don't want to spend a lot of time doing your makeup, your fingers are honestly like the greatest tool that you can use. Alrighty, so now that we have the cream highlight on, now it is time for the second step to make this highlight look pop, and that is we're going to be using a powder highlighter over the top of the cream highlight. And for highlighters today, I'm going to be using the Mia Adore Bronze and Light Me Up palette. I'm going to be taking the pink highlighter from this palette, and I'm just going to be applying that over the top where we just put that cream with this little highlight brush. I like to use this type of highlighting brush when I am highlighting my face. This is just a tapered, domed shaped highlight brush. Make sure it has that nice dome shape to it whenever you are shopping for your highlighting brushes. Also, make sure it is a bit more on the tinier petite side, so that way it really does kind of cup and fit the high point of your cheekbone. I like to concentrate the product onto this part right here, which is the more dome shaped, and I like to hold the brush at an angle like this when I am sweeping out the highlight onto my cheekbone. Then I'll flip it to the side, to the more flat side of the brush right here, to really get the highlight blended out. your highlight is going to be popping too. And I feel like this is a gorgeous highlight moment. I love me a good highlighting situation. I love me a good blinding highlight. And so, yeah, I really want to know, though, down in the comments below, what is your favorite highlighter? Because my favorite highlighter has to be a tie between the Becca Champagne Pop highlight or either one of the Wet n Wild highlighters as well. Those are so amazing. And they're a dupe for the Becca highlighter. So if you really love the shimmering skin perfectors from Becca Cosmetics, but you just don't have that money to spend, I promise you, if you go and pick up one of the Wet n Wild ones, those are literally the exact same. I swear to you, like, it is the same formula, and they are amazing. And so, yeah, I really hope that you all did enjoy this video today because I had a lot of fun creating it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there as well because I'm here with you for you with new videos on every Thursday, Saturdays, and Mondays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Also, don't forget to give me a follow over on social media as well so that way you can keep up with me, keep tabs on me, and keep a lookout on when I post and upload new videos. And so, yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Thursday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.